Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, don't you always hear about training? And people want to know, understandably, what makes the best kind of training? Well, today I'm here not to talk about whether it's online training, video training, documentation, checklists, one-on-one training. Well, I'm sure all of those have their pros and cons. But I think that one of the biggest underlying things that'll make a big effect on any kind of those training is how the person feels about your company. Now, that's a really hard thing to get your hand on. What does that mean? Well, do they feel valued? Is the way that you talk to them and interact with them, the way you implement the training, the way you talk to them during the training, get their input, ask them questions, get their feedback, is the way that you're doing training, the method of training, making them feel valued, that they like you, and they like the way they're perceived, the way they feel valued, that their job is important in the company. And they can tell that by the way you interact with them. You know how this is. If there's a cleaning business owner like yourself, and you really show them, and they can hear it in your voice and looking in their eyes, that listen, your job as a cleaner is extremely important. It's where the rubber hits the road. It's that interaction between the customer and your company. If they can pick that up from you and they feel good about the company, then whatever kind of training it is going to go a long way. The idea of just handing out a checklist, handing out training, watch some videos, and think that that will work really successfully, if a person doesn't feel valued and heard and like their job, I think it's crazy. The good news is it's within our control to really interact with people in a way that shows them that we care about them and their value, and then therefore it makes everything that they learn during training that much better. Until next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.